Para sa relo ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, sabi ng Watch Paparazzi, ang relo na ito is a Rolex Cosmograph Daytona reference 6265. And on the secondary market, I see it sell for up to 140,000 euros. Pero pag kinonvert nyo sa Philippine pesos, yun ay nasa mga 9.8 million pesos plus shipping, taxes, and duties pa. Kasi very rarely do I see this watch on the secondary market dito sa Pilipinas. Nung nirelease ang mga unang Daytona, they weren't as famous as the Submariners and the Datejusts at that time. Kaya nga konti lang ang ganito na relo, nakatulad nung kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte according to Watch Paparazzi. Konti lang sila kasi hindi naman sila masyadong binenta eh. So, the Daytona has come really far from that time na parang ugly duckling siya ng Rolex collection. Ang alternative na napili ko would be the Casio EFB 730D series of watches. Napili ko ang specific version na ito because of the chronograph functionality and the contrast between the sub-dials and the main dial as well as the bracelet style.